Hello, you're welcome to Regal Achievers Educational Limited, presenting real tutors. I'll be taking through a topic, calculation of moment. I have a question here. A moment of 48 Newton meters is produced by a force applied 4 meters away from a pivot point. What is the moment of the force? Very simple. The formula for moment is moment equals to force times distance. Okay, in this case, we have been given the moment, which is 48 Newton meters, and then we are looking for the force. We are given distance 4 meters. How do you calculate the value of the force in this case? You divide both sides by 4. That will be divided by 4, divided by 4. 4 cancel 4 here, so that your force is equals to what? 4 here, 1. 4 in 48, that will be what? That will be 1, 2, 12 Newton. That is the answer. I'll be giving you an exercise. Please drop your answer at the comment box. Assumed moment to be equals to 30 Newton meters. Distance equals to 1.2 meters. Calculate the force applied. Thank you.